Hello. I want to take a few moments to share some very exciting news about an important change happening within our organization. As part of our strategic vision to streamline our operations and enhance our market presence, we are realigning all our companies under one unified brand, Barnhart Inc. This transition will allow us to present ourselves as a cohesive end-to-end global service provider, eliminating any confusion about the range of services we offer to our customers. By bringing all our businesses together under the Barnhart Inc. umbrella, we will not only strengthen our brand identity, but also build a stronger sense of unity within our team. We are moving forward as one team, Team Barnhart. As we progress through this realignment, our operating companies will be rebranded to align with the Barnhart Inc. identity. 5J Transportation and Driveway will now be known as Barnhart Specialized and Barnhart Driveway, while Lakeshore Logistics and Lakeshore Global Solutions will be rebranded as Barnhart Logistics and Barnhart Global. For detailed information on these changes, please refer to the crosswalk available on the company intranet or driver portal. In the coming days, you will notice some changes in how we present ourselves to the public. One significant change will be our email domain. Moving forward, we will all be using the same domain, barnhartinc.com. Additionally, our social media and web presence will be consolidated into one, making it easier for our customers and partners to engage with us. These changes are not just cosmetic. They represent our commitment to working as a unified team, dedicated to providing exceptional service to our customers worldwide. We are incredibly excited about what lies ahead for Barnhart Inc. This realignment marks a new chapter in our journey, filled with opportunities for growth, innovation, and success. Together, as Team Barnhart, we will achieve great things. Thank you for your continued dedication and hard work. Let's embrace this change and work together as one team to conquer our goals. Thank you.